Nigeria, audio where men Nigeria. How are you doing Nigeria? God bless you all for coming. All the supporters, we thank you for coming. All the senators and governors, thank you.
Thank you very much. With the general here, we have the head boy of the governors, the Iroko himself, Governor Amechi. We have the performing governor of Lagos State. We have the governor of Nasarawa State. We have the governor of Edo State. We have serving senators in their dozens here. Thank you very much. Please, we don't want anybody again on the stage. Please. Enough, please. Apart from the senators, please, every other person should remain there. Please. The general, you may now decide to speak to Nigerians. Thank you.
APC. 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 Your Excellency, the governors, nothing but members of the House of Representatives, former Minister of Express, members of the press. First, I would like Mr. Chairman, if I may, say thank you to Nigerians as a whole who are enduring all sorts of hardships and deprivation. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone's duty to resolve and help the national effort to overcome these immense challenges. I would like us to place on record our appreciation for the efforts of our armed forces under new leadership and police in confronting these challenges. I would like, secondly, to thank our supporters up and down the country for their perseverance and resolve in face of an oppressive PDP government. Mr. Chairman, this is an occasion to celebrate our efforts and to resolve to continue until victory is won. I humbly wish to present myself before you, before all Nigerians, and before God, seeking to be elected as APC's presidential candidate. I will repeat the sentence. I humbly wish to present myself before you, before all Nigerians, and before God, seeking to be elected as APC's presidential candidate. Never appreciated that the only way to keep Nigerians of the PDP they are into one party. We have worked very hard in the last 18 months to put up the structures from the polling unit towards local government, state, and the center. We have tried to ensure all processes in our party formation to be transparent and credible. These structures will lead to free and fair vote. There is no point in holding elections if they are not free and fair. Interference in the form of rigging, which PDP government has practiced since 2003, is the worst form of injustice. Denying people their right to express their opinion. Whether they like it or not, injustice cannot endure Since 1999, PDP has presided over our country's decline. Nigeria, in my experience, has never been so divided, so polarized by an unthinking government, hell-bent on ruling and stealing forever, whatever before the country. Mr. Chairman, we in APC are resolved to stop them in their track and rescue Nigeria from the stranglehold of PDP. The last 16 years of PDP government has witnessed decline in all critical sectors of life in Nigeria. There is now general insecurity in the land, quite apart from Boko Haram. There is prevalence of armed robbery, kidnapping and killing, cattle rustling, market and farmland arson. These outrages have taken a new and frightening dimension, disrupting economic and social life across the whole community. The economy continues to deteriorate, while government continues to announce fantastic growth figures. But manufacturing is down, agriculture is down, commerce is down. One place because we sell oil and still part of the money does not entitle you to put figures and announce phantom economic growth when all the major indices, namely employment, manufacturing, farming, trading, are demonstrably on the decline. When PDP came to power in 1999, Nigeria was generating 4,000 megawatts of electricity. After 15 years and 20 billion American dollars spent, we are now generating between 3,000 and 4,000 megawatts. No failure is more glaring than this. We in APC are resolved to bring change to Nigeria. We plan to do things differently. We plan to put priority on one, protection of life and property. Two, pursuing economic policies for shared prosperity and immediate attention on youth employment. Quality education for development, modernity, and social mobility. Fourthly, agricultural productivity for taking millions out of poverty and ensuring food security. Fifthly, reviving industry to generate employment and make things not just remain focused of other people's goods. Sixthly, developing solid minerals exploitation, which will substantially attract employment and revenue for government. Seventhly, restoring honor and integrity to public service by keeping the best and attracting the best. Eighthly, tackling corruption, which has become blatant and widespread. The rest of the world looks at Nigeria as home of corruption. Nigeria is a country where stealing is not corruption. Last but not the least, for final, respecting the constitutional separation of powers between the executive, legislature, and judiciary, and respecting the rights of citizens. Mr. Chairman, there in outline are some policy proposals about the direction APC should take. One, by the grace of God, we are given the responsibility of serving Nigeria in government. APC! 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 Thank you very much.
And may I have the singular honor and privilege to invite distinguished Senator Abu to give the vote of thanks while we bring this very historic occasion to a close. Distinguished Senator.